Okay children, today we will start our new chapter, that is National Movement second phase. This is interrelated with the 11th chapter, National Movement first phase. One case study is given in the yellow box, that is one night on 7th June 1893 was particularly cold. So in the second movement we see that why you wants the independence from the Britishers. So one case study is there that on 7 June 1893, when there was very much cold, Mohan Chand Karamchand Gandhi was comfortably seated in the first class compartment of the train. And we have seen that white people only allowed in the first compartment, not the Indians. So they are sitting in the train in the first compartment. When he was going from the Durban to Petroy, soon the ticket check came and asked him to vacate the seat and go to the third class seat. When the Gandhi asked the reason, he bluntly told that only white people will be allowed in the first class, not the Indians were allowed. So he argued for the valid ticket and refused to vacate. He argued, Mohandas Gandhi ji will having the arguments between with the ticket checker, but he have to vacate that seat. So the ticket checker called the police and the train stops at Peter Metrobus in Gandhi ji thrown out the train. In this station, Gandhi ji was thrown out from the train. फेंक दिया गया उनको वहाँ से. So all night he was sit in the bitter cold. It was after this that he was decided to fight against the oppressive of British rule. Because of this reason only, he started the fighting against the Britishers' rules. And later on, Gopal Krishna Gokhale referred the events and wrote to the Gandhiji that Gandhi fell well with a railway ticket no one honored. Gopal Krishna Gokhale ने कहा कि गांधी जी टिकट के साथ थे, and he rose with the testament none would ignore. और उनके पास testament था, means proof था, he have a ticket. He fell a passenger but rose a patriot. He is a passenger but he was thrown out. Fell a bastard but rose a revelry. So this create a revolutionary, and this phase was very much disappointed the Indians that why the Indians were not allowed to sit in the first class. So according to this case study, now we will study about the Mahatma Gandhi. What was the role in the second phase done by the Mahatma Gandhi? That is, okay, so the national movement entered the phase about when the Mahatma Gandhi entered. The national movement will arise when the Mahatma Gandhi is there. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Pobandar, all we know that, in Gujarat. He received his early education in India. Later he went to the England and for the further studies he was a lawyer, and later he studies in the South Africa and practiced law there. During his stay there, he fought against the oppression of white rulers against the Indians living there. In the South Africa also they were fighting against the Britishers with the Indians. White people जो torture करते थे, oppressive means रहता है आपका कि जो दबाते थे Indians को, उसके against में हमेशा fight किए हैं. So during his struggle, he gave one concept, सत्याग्रह, that is non-violent struggle against ऑपरेशंस जो भी आपके पर्सन्स ऑपरेस करते हैं, आपको ऑपरेसिव करते हैं, उनके अगेंस्ट में उन्हें सत्याग्रह एक कॉन्सेप्ट स्टार्ट किया. इट वॉज बेस्ड ऑन ट्रुथ, दैट इज ऑल विल से ट्रुथ, एंड सत्य एंड नॉन वायलेंस मीन्स अहिंसा, मीन्स फाइट अगेंस्ट अहिंसा. ऑल विल कलेक्ट टुगेदर एंड हैव टू बी स्टिक विद द ट्रुथनेस. सो दे स्टार्ट वन कैंपेन. And then the Gandhiji returned to India in 1950s to understand the condition in India. He travels all across the country. When the Gandhiji returned to India in 1950s, he see the condition of the Indians and go through all over the country that the position of India must be improved. Here is that the conclusion that truly national struggle had to go beyond the achievement of independence. He said that the national movement or national struggle must be go for independence. And it also had to reform society, and they also want to reform their society. He founded that Sabarmati Ashram near Ahmedabad and welcomed people of all castes and religions to it. He entered in Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. He organized one assembly in there and invite all the castes and religious persons, सारे caste को इकट्ठा किया, and start a nationwide movement against untouchability, because Mahatma Gandhi himself is a person who belongs from untouchability, SC/ST caste से belong करते थे. So he started fighting against the untouchability. He called people so-called lower caste people he called Harichans, that are children's god of children. He calls the lower caste persons Harichans. Gandhiji also worked to revive village crafts. He also organized the village crafts or increase the creativity in the villages. A small industry he was started in many villages like basket मेकिंग और क्राफ्ट्स जो भी आपके इंडियंस को बनता था, दे स्टार्ट स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज की ताकि उनके पास अमाउंट आ सके, ब्रिटिशर्स के वो अपोज हो सके. ही स्टार्टेड टू मेक चरखा, है ना, दिस वाज वेरी फेमस चरखा. गांधी जी की पोर्ट्रेट भी आपके बुक में प्रॉपरली विच वॉज रिकॉग्नाइज्ड फॉर एज खादी, है ना. फ्रॉम द चरखा दे मेड a khadi was popularized as a symbol of self-reliance, and the khadi was very much given a very much importance as it create a self-reliant, self-dependent. Indians will become self-dependent by manufacturing khadi product in the charkha. So Gandhiji started this campaign in India. Then early campaign, that is Gandhiji's social ideology gave stand to his political activities. Gandhiji's social ideology means Gandhiji gave the activities or form to the political activities and made the national movement a mass movement. And made this movement as a mass means सब इकट्ठा होके एक mass मतलब big organization करके उन्होंने इस campaign को launch किया. The method he advocated was very simple, that even this method which he launched the early campaign Gandhiji was very simple, that everybody can understand, है ना, सब campaign को समझ पाए इंडियंस को. तो इतनी simple तरीके से उन्हें launch and forced to sell indigo at low price and European planters, and they will force the peasants were manufacture of the indigo planters. So he forced the Indians that to manufacture the indigo planters so they can have their own self-reliance persons, and this price was very low. And when the Champaran in Bihar, he set one assembly in Champaran in Bihar in 1947. This assembly was very short and fixed a price for the indigo. 2 रुपए की नील आती थी ना, indigo means नील, and they fixed a very low price. So the first movement was started by the Gandhiji was in Champaran in Bihar in 1970, where the peasant sell the indigos at very low price. Gandhiji protested against these and forced the government to increase the price at which the planters brought indigo from the cultivators. But the government, when Britishers will force the Indians that to increase the price of the indigo. So in 1918, Gandhiji led the workers of the textiles mills Ahmedabad against the mill owner. Then Mahatma Gandhi led to the work against the textile in Ahmedabad. Mahatma Gandhi against with the peoples that they will sell the indigo at very low prices. So this campaign was there. After that, the peasant of Khera in Gujarat, his agitations forced the government to suspend the tax collection. After that, when the indigo plantation case will be there, then the tax collection plant that crops and failed that year. At that year, the Indians' crops was failed out. But Mahatma Gandhi, but the Britishers still charged very high taxes to the Indians. So this was very much disappointed by the Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi in 1990 become the first popular leader in India. Due to his effort, the common people for the first time become involved in national movement. Numerous mass movement were started under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. बहुत सारे आपके national movement will be started against the Mahatma Gandhi. This movement initiated the activities such as means in 1919 Gandhiji has become very popular leader, है ना. So at that time they make numerous efforts against the peoples of Britishers. So what are that efforts which has made it by the Mahatma Gandhi? They are peaceful demonstration. मतलब they want that हंगामा नहीं हो, और peaceful demonstration they want. Boycott courts and educational institution, because all the education is for the Britishers only. So they boycott that courts and institutions. Peaceful defense of law. They want that law will be peacefully work, है ना. Defense किया उसके लिए. Non-payment of taxes will be there. Non-payment of taxes means nobody will pay the tax if the crops were failed out. Means Indians से जो crops के लिए amount लिया जाता था. So they will start the non-payment of the taxes. And last not the least, that the picking this of shop selling foreign goods. They will stop that shop or take that shop outside who will sell the foreign goods to the person. So they will stop selling the products of the foreign goods in India. Clear? So these are the movements which are initiative activities which are taken by the Mahatma Gandhi to improve the condition of the Indians. So this is all about this chapter is the second phase of the national movement which was taken by the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay.